Hi everyone, it's Danielle here, just letting you know that I've got two goals of this video today. Number one is to draw the winner of last month's competition in October 2022, and this month to tell you what the promo is, which I'll be giving away two prizes. Last month in October, it was the competition to win this little oil box here, which I will post to the person in my team who wins. So to do that, all the person had to do was a 100-point order. So here are the people in my team who did a 100-point order. So I'm going to put them in the little bowl and we will draw them out and see who wins. So I'll give them a little stir if you want to draw the winner. And the winner of the oil box is Karina M. So Karina, you're the winner. Well done. I'll get the prize to you. And I also have a competition for this month. It's a prize. You do 100 points in November 2022 and you go in the draw to win some lavender bath bombs and a little oil roll-on kit to make your own oil roll-ons. But best news, I actually have two of these to win. So I've got two of these sets. So do a 100-point order in November 2022 and you go in the draw to win one of these, but I'll be giving it away to two different people. So have a great one. And all the best, and let's see who wins. Bye.